learn how to work your video, because next time I'm not going to let you in. 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving. You can be in and out of the camera. And when your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Ms. Dukes, remain in the camera. Please show your face. I just see your head. Okay, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Reginald Rippey. Ticket number SP 1422182, count 1, driver revoked license, count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1421965, count 1, 21 to 25 miles per hour proposed speed. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Reginald Rippey.
State your name, Mr. Rippey.
Reginald Rippey.
Your Honor, the people have made an offer to my client. He wishes to avail himself of the same.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket number ending in 965.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Court will amend that count to limited access 6 to 10. You stipulate the proper cause as the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $135. Mr. Rippey, because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have this paid by May 10th?
Yes.
You are all set, sir, unless you have any questions.
Nope. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Let me try. You know what? Let me get some of these officers out. This is People versus Lamarco Dismuke, ticket number SP 1423015, count 1, driver register and title vehicle, count 3, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1423009, count 1, no insurance, misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates, count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number SP 1287709, count 1, improper place, count 2, driver register and title vehicle, count 3, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1254281, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, driver register and title vehicle. And ticket number SP 1314915, count 1, driver license suspended. He had a number of cases that were in warrant status, so I called those. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Kropic.
Corporal Kropic, badge 775, City of Detroit Police Officer.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dismuke, I'd ask that any outstanding warrants be set aside at this time.
Court will set aside the warrant. State your name, Mr. Dismuke.
Lamarco Dismuke.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. He wishes to avail himself of that. He's ready to plead.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dismuke. Swear or affirm to the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 16, 2023 at 2:04 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Evergreen and Outer Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 1999 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
No.
Your plates were proper?
No.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will amend count 3 to fail to display. You stipulate to the face of the ticket with ticket number ending in 009, count 2 and 3.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets without prejudice.
So stipulated.
We'll proceed. Those are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. For the expired plates and tinted windows, that fine is, they total to $265, plus there's going to be another $200 fine for the improper plates. I'll waive the fine for the fail to display, so you're gonna have a total of $465. Yes, $465. Usually civil infractions are due in 14 days, so because you owe a substantial amount, can you have this paid by May 26th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Let's see, Corporal Baker, will you Sonia Dwight?
Yes.
People versus Sonia Dwight, ticket number SP 1422648, count one, improper plate. Ticket number SP 1422687, count one, improper left turn. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Is the officer?
Didn't have improper plate.
Corporal Baker, state your name first.
Sonia Dwight.
Baker, Detroit Police, Bash 21, 8th Precinct.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Sonia White. Miss White, they are dismissing your improper plate and they're amending your improper left turn to no point violation that doesn't go on your record.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to accept that?
Well, can I say one thing? I did not recognize that my husband was diagnosed with 4th stage cancer, and it was Martin Luther King's birthday, and I was.
Okay, so do you want to take the offer or not, ma'am?
Pardon me?
Do you want to take the offer or not? It's blockading. It's $175 fine.
It doesn't go on your record.
Okay.
Stipulate to
Yes.
the face of the.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Right. Court will amend count one of blockading, stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine because this is a simple infraction. You have 14 days to pay it. Can you pay it by May 10th?
Yes.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too, Corporal. Thank you. All right. Let's do Frank Dillard. This is the people versus Frank Dillard, ticket number SP 1386675, count one, driver with revoked license. Ticket number SP 142.
Judge, okay, let me.
Mr.
mute-
Lawrence?
let me-
Yes, Mr. Roberts. All right, I'll start over again. Ticket number SP 1386675, count one, driver with revoked license. Ticket number SP 1423769, count one, driver with revoked license. Ticket number SP 1423668, count one, expired plates, count two, no valid registration, and count three, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please state your names for the record. He did have one ticket that was in warrant status that has been added to all of it. Please state your names for the record, starting with Officer Borsch.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boris, Bash 2102 of Detroit Police.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Frank Dillard, I ask the outstanding warrant be set aside.
Set aside. Mr. Dillard, say your name for the record. He's muted. Star 6, unmute yourself, sir. While he's doing that, Corporal Bennett, I think Miss Donahue she's set for a pre-trial, so I think.
Correct.
So, Corporal Bennett,
Oh, Your Honor, I had A. Robinson. That's who I have. Did we?
Antonio Robinson, we dismissed his because you said you didn't remember.
Yes. Okay, Your Honor.
Yep.
And the other defendant, because I don't have anything for that person.
Yes, she said because she said for a pre-trial, so you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Mr. Dillard, okay, state your name, sir.
Hello,
Say your name. Say your name.
Frank Dillard.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. He wishes to avail himself of that.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dillard.
Yes.
You swear to the truth, nothing but truth.
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to January 15, 2023 at 5:09 p.m. on the date and time were you at or near Bovian and Larned in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2001 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was revoked?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roby?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate to the face of the ticket number ending in 768, count one.
So stipulated.
All right, the court will accept that stipulation. You stipulate the probable cause as the remaining ticket. You just have-
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $145 for the civil infraction. For the fail to display, there's a fine of $200, so it's gonna be a total of $345. Normally, civil infractions are due in 14 days, but because you owe a substantial amount, I'll give you the May 26th to pay it. Can you have it paid by May 26th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir? No questions, you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Reginald Rippey and Ms. Riley, please get back into the camera.
All right, this is Tris Roberts, ticket number SP 1413581, count one, open up calling the motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number 1543154, count one, ineligible or defaced license, lost, etc. Good afternoon or good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Tris Roberts.
And I'm sorry, I meant to say starting with Officer Latou.
Officer Latou, badge 222, Detroit Police Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Tris Roberts. There is a second matter set for trial. The officer's not appeared on. I'm moving for dismissal of that at this time.
This is not prejudice.
Which, could you give me a case number?
1543154, count one, illegible or defaced license, lost, etc. That's dismissed without prejudice as the officers failed to appear.
Thank you.
Your Honor, regarding the other matter, today is the date and time set for trial. We're ready to proceed.
Oh, is this one that's going to trial?
Yes.
Okay. I believe Ms. Horn is requesting an adjournment because she is unable to do this trial today.
Is the court making her motion for her?
I know that's what she said. So I know that's, I mean, I guess she should be here to make the motion. So we can recall it and wait for her to come back.
I'm just going to indicate that I'm going to object at this time.
I know you're objecting. We'll recall it and wait for her to come back.
Thank you.
Mr. Rippey, please get into the camera. Reginald Rippey. I'm gonna put Mr. Rippey back in the waiting room until we're done.
The People versus David Randolph, ticket number SP 1424944, count one, illegal dumping. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Jones. Officer Jones.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state your name, please.
Officer Beverly Jones, City of Detroit Police Officer, badge 2101.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of David Randolph.
Your name, Mr. Randolph, unmute yourself, say your name, sir.
David Randolph.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation for a delayed sentence. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Randolph. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
No, I didn't talk to no attorney.
You didn't talk to me?
Oh, yes.
She's a lawyer. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Knowing that you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to May 14, 2021 at 3:36 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near East State Fair and Runyon in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you engage in illegal dumping?
Yes.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Roque?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Also satisfied the factual basis will proceed to sentencing. This is a 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Randolph. So you have 12 months to pay a $200 fine. You can't get any more tickets during that time. So essentially no further police contact. When you come back on your next court date, which you probably need to write this down, May 29th at 8:35. That's your next court date. You come back on that date and you've paid the fine, you haven't gotten any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record. You understand that, sir?
Yes. You said May 29th?
Yes, sir, at 8:35.
8:35. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set, sir. I think the officer might have left, but thank you, officer.
Thank you. Have a great one, everyone.
Oh, you're still here. Yes. Thank you, Officer Jones.
No problem.
All right,
Have a good one, Your Honor.
This is the people versus Jimmy Resendez, ticket number B129412, count 1. Failed owner's duty of care, medical failed to obtain vet care for, I believe it's for a dog. And then ticket number B129411, count 1, harboring an unlicensed dog. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Investigator Hoskins.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, badge number 44.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rencez does, I'm sorry.
Say your name, sir.
Jimmy Resendez.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation of my client. At this time, he's waiving the rights, asking court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, sir. Mr. Resendez, raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. I can use it. 2000. Oh. I'm sorry about that. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 14, 2022, to the range of December 16, 2022, at around 1:45 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near 6354 Greenview in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
And did you fail the owner's duty of care, medical, or fail to obtain vet care for, is this dog's name Rogue, for skin issue, hair
Rouge.
loss, Rouge, I'm sorry, I couldn't read the hand. Did you fail to obtain vet care for Rouge?
Yeah.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, course officer satisfied on factual basis, you stipulate probable cause as to the other ticket to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
It's dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 6-month delayed sentence. Mr. Resendez, so you have 6 months to pay a fine of $200. And you can't get any more tickets during that time. When you come back in 6 months, which is gonna be July 26th, is that? No, that's 3 months. Hold on, give me one moment.
July 26th?
No, October 25th, when you come back on October 25th and you've paid the fine, haven't gotten any more tickets, this will be dismissed off your record. So October 25th is your next court date.
Okay, and how much is the fine? You said 200?
Yes, sir.
By May what?
October 25th, you have to have it paid by then.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus state. Hold on, Mr. Investigator Hoskins. You got Tamara Riley. I think you know that, but okay.
I'm aware. Thank you.
All right, thank you. This is people versus Tamara Riley, ticket number B122369, count 1, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B129402. Count 1, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B122368, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B129403, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of valid rabies vaccination. Ticket number B122370, harboring an unlicensed dog. Ticket number B122371, failed to vaccinate dog or provide proof of vaccination. Ticket number B122373, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination. And ticket number B122374, count 1, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or proof of vaccination. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Investigator Hoskins.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, badge number 44.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Riley, would ask all outstanding matters be set, warrants be set aside.
Say your name, Ms. Riley.
You said spell my name?
State your name.
Tamara Riley.
So, Ms. Riley, you heard the judge read the tickets to you. So did you want to accept the recommendation to plead to 3 and get the rest dismissed?
Well, I just heard about these today. I knew about the 2, which is why I'm here. So I was requesting information. I know when I logged in earlier today, y'all had the wrong name spelled, and I do have multiple siblings with all T's. I don't know where the tickets went or where the other 7 are coming from.
Ms. Riley, all these tickets say Tamara Riley. They all have the same address. They all have the same driver's license number. They all have the same date of birth.
Okay, Tamara Riley, Tamarah. And I just received 2. I don't know where the other ones came from. Can I at least see them before I ask for a plea? And it sounds like all the same things. I'm just kind of confused. I just found out.
2 of them are from 2021, and then 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, hold on. So that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are from 2021, 4 are from 2022.
Yeah, I'm not aware still. I can't.
So we can deal with the 2 of them. The other ones, those were in warrant status. That's why you have more that were on the docket, because you must have missed a court date or something. So we can either, I don't know what you want to do. Do you want to just deal with the 2? I mean, everything has been packaged, so you haven't offered to deal with everything today. But I mean, we can go to trial on the 2 that we have here, and then set the trial for the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the other 6 tickets.
Can we keep them all together? Because I have 2 dogs. I don't know why so many, but I think it's just
that's what the offer is. The offer is you plead to 3 of them, dismiss 5.
So what happened?
And it's a delayed sentence. So if you do what you're supposed to do, they'll all get dismissed.
So if I plead, they get dismissed? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Sure, Ms. Soroki explained it to you, but the offer is if you plead to 3 of them, it is a 6-month delayed sentence, meaning you have 6 months to pay a fine. It's likely gonna be a fine of it's probably gonna be a fine of maybe $600. And then you would come back in 6 months after you paid the fine, you haven't gotten any more tickets, and you have to have shown, I think, proof of that the dogs are licensed, then this and vaccinated, then this will be dismissed. All of the tickets will be dismissed.
Okay, so I pay and then come back in 6 months and show the vaccinations and then it'll be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it possible for me to come back to look at the stuff? I'm still.
What we call hers, because I mean, this separate trial. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm confused too. I'm sorry, I just found out a couple minutes ago.
You got these tickets.
I did not get the tickets. I think that's the issue. I never knew of 9. I need 2.
All right, this is the people versus Trisha. Officer Jackson, you're here for Drain. I don't think Drain checked in. Yeah, Officer Jackson, I'm sorry, you can go. I don't think Drain checked in.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Sorry about that. All right, this is the people versus Trisha Rosbach. Ticket number Z808862, count 1, operating while visibly impaired. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Trisha Rosbach. Ma'am, can you state your name?
Trisha Rosbach.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to pre-try this case with my client. She's continuing her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rosbach. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Swear. Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial on May 10th at 9 o'clock.
May 10th at 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. This is the people versus Carnice Dukes, ticket number SP 1423006. Count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. That's it. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Carnice Dukes.
Dukes, say your name.
Carnice Dukes.
You know, and I'm sorry, there's also account 2 of no proof of insurance.
Your Honor, at this time, my client's continuing her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
You know what? Oh, okay. All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own. I'm sorry. That's for your guilty plea. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury?
No.
All right, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial May 10th at 9 o'clock.
What day at 9 o'clock?
May 10th.
Okay.
You're all set, ma'am. This is the people versus Deontay Rigsby, ticket number SP 1423483, count 3, no insurance, misdemeanor. Good morning, please take your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rigsby.
Deontay Rigsby.
Your Honor, the recommendations for dismissal, we'd stipulate to probable cause.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Rigsby. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Raymond Robert Skipper, ticket number SP 1200908, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle, ticket number SP 1317163, count 1, improper plate, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant.
Ramon Skipper.
Your Honor, Mr. Skipper is continuing his plea of not guilty, or asking the warrants be set aside. He's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Set aside the warrant, raise your right hand, Mr. Skipper. Or Robert Skipper. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Court's going to continue your not guilty pleas as these matters for a bench trial, May 10th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're all set. This is the people versus Dwayne Deal, ticket number SP 1183606, count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license, count on person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Dwayne Deal.
Say your name, sir. Mr. Deal, unmute yourself, say your name.
Tap *6, Mr. Deal. Tap *6 and unmute yourself.
Hello? Hello?
State your name for the record.
Dwayne Andrew Deal.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Deal is asking the warrants be set aside, entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
I post a bond on those tickets.
The court will set aside the warrants. Raise your right hand, Mr. Deal. And you have to let me know when you're raising your hand because I can't see you.
I apologize, Your Honor. My right hand is up, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, they haven't.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial on May 10th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. All right, this is the people versus Sherry Donahue. I forgot to send the email, but I'm just gonna give her another date. Ticket number SP 1387486, count 1, expired plates, and ticket number SP 1387499, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Sherry Donahue.
Ms. Donahue, say your name.
Ms. Donahue.
*6, ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Ms. Donahue, tap *6 on your phone, unmute your device. Ms. Donahue, tap *6 on your phone to unmute yourself so we can hear you.
Well, I'm just gonna adjourn. I'm gonna give her a date of July 26th at 8:35 since she's in street court.
Okay, thank you.
We'll just set up for another pretrial. So hopefully she gets that date. I don't think that Ms. Horn is going to be coming back. And I know that the officers have waited and waited and waited, and I don't think that fair to just dismiss them. So as far as Chris Roberts for the open alcohol and the motor vehicle passenger, and the officers here, it's Officer Latouf still here?
Yes, I'm still here.
You are ready to proceed to trial, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So I'm gonna give it another date. We'll come back May eighth.
Can we put it on the record?
Yes, so ticket number SP 1413581, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Passenger, say your name to the record.
Officer,
Yes, Officer Latouche, badge 222, City of Detroit Police Officer.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have a Chris Roberts. Mr. Roberts, can you put your name on the record again?
Tris Roberts.
I know you're objecting, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Soroki. I recognize your objection, and but I'm going to adjourn it for May 8th at 9 o'clock. Now, if this happens again, it will absolutely be dismissed. It's really
Hey, Your Honor, can I say one thing on the license? What was that ticket again?
That's dismissed, sir. The judge
Oh,
dismissed the license violation.
It's just, you just have the open alcohol ticket.
And I didn't have that. Well, all right.
So that's the only ticket that's left. And so we will set it for trial on May 8th at 9 o'clock. So you're all set, sir. Sorry about that. Or I guess Ms. Riley, she's gonna be adjourned as well. We'll call all her matters. Ticket number B12236. This is the People versus Tamara Riley. Ticket number B122369, harboring an unlicensed dog. B129402, harboring an unlicensed dog. B122368, harboring an unlicensed dog. B129403, failed to vaccinate dog and provide proof of vaccination. B122370, harboring a licensed dog. B122371, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination. B122373, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies and provide proof of vaccination. And B122374, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of vaccination. Okay, more than say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Riley.
What was the question for me?
State your name, Ms. Riley.
Tamara Riley.
So, and Investigator Hoskins, say your name again.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, badge number 44.
So what we'll do is we'll adjourn the matters that are already scheduled for trial today, and then we'll set these other matters for trial that were important. You want to bench trial, Ms. Riley?
So what does adjourn mean? Is that's just a new date?
Yes, ma'am.
And you said it's all of them, but you said some now and some later?
No, they'll all be set for the next date.
Okay. Is that like, is this a pre-trial or the actual trial?
No, today is the actual trial date, but because we see that you have 6 more tickets and the prosecutor is unable to do the trial date because she had a meeting, we're just gonna keep everything together and put it over for another court date.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, you want a trial date? I mean, you want a bench trial?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, nobody has.
So the court's gonna continue a not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench, all these matters for a bench trial on May 10th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you.
Your Honor, could you repeat that date again? My phone cut out.
May 10th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have yourself a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you. You're all set, Ms. Riley. Good luck to you.